I'm kicking off a Japanese Christmas dinner edition for the next 5 videos. Today is a vegan low-carb noodle salad. For more Japanese food recipes, follow me on Instagram at Miwa Japanese Cooking Class. Let's get started. I have Asian cucumber, thinly slice it and stack up, then shred them into thin strips. Peel the skin of carrot, thinly slice, then shred into the same size as cucumber. Transfer onto the mixing bowl. Sprinkle some salt and massage. Leave it for 5 minutes, then squeeze to draw the moisture out. This prep will allow the veggies to stay crunchy and prevent from getting soggy. Blanch some bean sprout for 30 seconds and blanch konjac noodle for another 30 seconds, or just follow the packaging instruction. Konjac is made of Japanese taro, which is a type of root vegetable. It's high in fiber and low in carb. It has a pretty unique smell, so you wanna remove it by blanching it before you use. Cut into whatever lengths you prefer and set it aside. Let's make a dressing. In goes 2 tablespoons of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, but any vinegar will do, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2.5 tablespoons of toasted sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon of grounded sesame seed. Mix them well. Exact measurement can be found on my blog. The link is on the description box below. If you are opting for more veggies, feel free to double the portion for dressing. Then we're just gonna combine everything. Add the konjac noodle, drain all the moisture as much as possible before you add in, followed by cucumber and carrot and bean sprout. Toss everything to coat. Plate them together with dressing. As the time passes, the noodle will soak up all the dressing and you can keep it in the fridge for 3 days. It's the best that's cold, so pop them into the fridge for at least 15 minutes before you serve it. And that's it. This salad is very versatile, so please change up the veggies. Celery, corn, coriander will be a great option. On the next video, I'm sharing creamy potato gratin, which is my mom made it all the time when I was little and I loved it. What's your Christmas dinner will be? Please share in the comment section below. I'm very curious. Don't forget to subscribe. Hope to see you on the next video. Bye! またね!